US crude has shown a good swing while NG has traded bearish. We've traded both ways and achieved good profits. Now, what can be expected today? Which position you should take and at what levels? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do not commit this mistake. So do like, share, subscribe and comment. Press the bell icon. Do watch till the end and do note down the levels. First we'll look into US crude followed with NG. Let's start. Now see, these are the hourly charts for US crude. Higher lows are getting created. If you connect the dots, it is trying to trade in this channel, and once it trades past this zone at 81.5, you can certainly expect we may see further more bullishness, and then 82 is the next target, 83 is the next target, and in fact this time it can try to achieve 83 levels for sure if it continues to trade on the upside. This is the channel in which it is trying to trade on the hourly charts. Also below 81, rather I will say below 80.5, you can expect another drop which might take it further down for $80 levels, and below $80 79.2, 79.5, 79.2, and then 78 can be seen. The directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD is bearish. It may try to converge. RSI is still looking downwards. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, higher lows, lower highs are seen. Once you see it trading below 80 levels, 81 levels, you can say 80.5, $80 should be a very strong support, and below that it may continue with the drop. At the same time, trading above 81.5, you can certainly say little more bullishness can be seen. So do not trade between 81.5 and 80.8, rather 81 levels, or if you want to take a comfortable or safe entry, do not trade between 80.8 to 81.6 levels. Now look at the directional movement. This is bearish. Stochastic is looking downwards, trying to cross over for a bullish move. The MACD has crossed over on the 2-hour chart. This is divergent and this is showing little bearishness. RSI is trading flat here. Likewise on the 3-hour chart, it is trying to trade in this channel. This is the moderately bullish channel. If it trades above 81.5, 81.6 zone, you can certainly expect 82, 83 levels to be achieved. On the downside, once it drops below 81, certainly, rather I will say 80.7, certainly you can expect 80.5, 80 levels, and below 80 you can expect 79.5 and 79.2 levels. The directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is willing to converge, crossover for a sell, and RSI trading flat here. And look at the 4-hour charts, higher highs, and if you see this, higher lows are done, and possibly you have to be cautious till towards 80.8, and on the upside 81.6, 81.7 levels. Yes, you can buy there and expect it to rise more. If it continues to trade above 82, certainly more bullishness can be expected. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic was overbought, looking downwards now. The MACD is willing to converge. RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts, the new candle is yet to start. And if you look at the daily candle, the resistance there at 83.5, 84 is going to be very, very strong. This time it has given you a step there, and possibly the next candle, if it opens and trades above 81.5, 81.6 zone, certainly you can expect similar size of candle, which is almost of $2, or rather you can say $3. So yes, 81.5 to $3 is 84, and 84.5 you can expect it to rise till towards those levels. Directional movement bearish, it is willing to converge. Stochastic was oversold, trying to bounce back. The MACD is willing to converge. RSI trading flat. And considering this for the day, buy at 81.6, sell at 80.8 levels for these $0.8. Do not trade for these 0.8 levels. Above 81.6, you can expect a little rise. Then you can expect 82. And then beyond that, we may see 83.5 and 84 and 84.5 levels as the next resistance zone. On the downside, you can sell here at 80.8 levels. Below 80.8, certainly you can expect 80.5, 80.2, 79.5, 79.2, and then below that you can expect a sharper drop for 78 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at NG. And yes, before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, identifying the right trades and enter at the right times and exit profitably, you can join my mentorship batch. The strategy is taught will definitely help you become profitable and proficient trader. This is going to be a 15 days session, 90 minutes daily live webinar, and 3 months of support post your course such that you can be well versed with the strategies taught and take right positions. So join this batch starting on 3rd of October. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram ID, my email ID is mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my Signals group or become a patron. Both the links are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at NG on the hourly chart. NG on the hourly charts is trying to create a flag here, and possibly once it breaks out beyond this zone at 7 6.95, you can say beyond 6.95 you can certainly expect that we may see 6.98 and 7 as the very strong resistance. Trading beyond 7 you can certainly expect more bullishness. On the downside, sell there at 6.85. So do not, no trade zone is between 6.85 to 6.95. On the upside you have to be cautious till towards 7.2 levels, and if it breaks past 7 first and then 7.2, certainly you can expect a stronger bullish move. Now look at the directional movement is bearish, stochastic is comfortable, the MACD is trying to cross over for a bullish move, RSI is also looking upwards indicating little bullishness there. On the 2-hour charts likewise, after the drop there, this is shown a reversal retracement and now trying to drop again. Yes, if you see it trading below the zone at 68.5, 6.85, certainly you can expect another round of drop for 66.8, and then you must observe that the bottom is at around 6.7. So be cautious. 6.7 should provide a very strong resistance if it tries to drop from here. Hence you can take a short entry, you can sell your positions at around 6.85 levels. Below that, certainly you can expect a further drop for 6.87, 6.75 and 6.7 levels. Below 6.7 it will try to crash more. On the upside, buy there at around 6.95, and then you can expect 7.02, 7.1 and 7.2 levels, which is going to be a very strong resistance for the day. If it continues to trade bullish from here, you can in fact expect it to achieve 7.3 levels. So trade accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. And yes, before that, let's also have a look at the 3-hour charts here. Likewise, on the 3-hour charts, you will find higher highs, higher lows. You should be careful of these levels, and it is trying to bounce back. It is showing you reversal. Possibly we may see it rising high. So buy at 6.95, sell at 6.85. Same levels, same observation. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking upwards. MACD trading with little bullishness. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts also similar is the observation. Higher lows, lower highs. You have to be cautious in between 6.85 6.95 zone. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is trading with little bullishness, and on the daily charts similar is the observation. See, the new candle on this is yet to form, and see previous candle, higher highs, higher lows. Yes, once it trades above 6.95, certainly you can expect 7.02, 7.05, and then we can see 7.2 levels. On the downside, once it drops below 6.85, you can expect 6.8, 6.7, and below that we may see a sharper drop. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.